Gimbal balancing. Please plug corresponding camera control cable before balancing. Then remove the lens cover. If your camera is a zoom lens, please first try to adjust the lens to the desired focal length. Balancing the vertical tilt. When the other two axes locked, please unlock the tilt axis motor lock. Make the camera lens upward vertically. Then check the direction which the camera will tilt to. If the camera tilts to either side, meaning the center of gravity is unbalanced. Now holding the camera, make the lens upward. Loosen the slide arm lock knob. Hold the camera with your hand. Move the slide arm to the opposition direction that the camera tilts to, until the lens is steady pointing upward. That means balanced. Now tighten the slide arm lock knob. The vertical tilt balancing complete. Adjust depth for the tilt axis. Make the camera lens pointing forward. Check the direction which the lens tilts to. If the lens is tilted to one side, then the camera is that side heavy. Now you need to unlock the quick release plate safety lock and move the camera to the opposite direction that the camera tilts to, until the camera is steady pointing forward. Then lock the quick release plate safety lock. Tilt axis can keep steady at any position, which means the tilt axis is balanced. Balancing the roll axis. Unlock the roll lock. Check the direction which the camera tilts to. If the camera is tilted to one side, then the camera is that side heavy. Please loosen the cross arm lock knob. Then move it to the opposite direction the camera tilts to, until the cross arm can stay still and horizontal to the ground. Tighten the cross arm lock knob. If the camera remains stationary at a horizontal angle, then the roll axis is balanced. Then lock the roll axis motor lock. Balancing the pan axis. Unlock the pan axis motor lock. Hold the gimbal and tilt it forward until it is horizontal to the ground. Check the direction which the camera tilts to. If the camera is tilted to one side, then the camera is that side heavy. Then loosen the vertical arm lock knob. Move the vertical arm at the opposite direction that the camera tilts to. Next, tighten the vertical arm lock knob. Please check whether the gimbal is well balanced. If not, you need to slowly adjust it again. Repeat the step till balanced well. The camera stays still and horizontal to the ground, which means the pan axis is balanced. When the balancing completed, push the center of gravity memory sliders of the three axes to the corresponding position. Make balancing more convenient for next time use. Thank you for watching.